night train to Beijing, and there wasn't much to film on the train because it was just railroad and smog. But we made it here to the Great Wall. Yeah, it's pretty great. Someone lives in here apparently. So we've been walking for close to an hour and it's disgustingly hot. These steps are so inconsistent, but it's good. So we finished up at the Great Wall. Me and Casey had to run back because we nearly missed the bus. So now we're at the Summer Palace here in Beijing, and it's pretty amazing. But this lake here, this lake's man-made, and it took 15 years to make. So this boat is made out of marble, and the emperor who was gifted this whole place for his birthday built this for his mother, who helped him to rule the country. So that's pretty cool. Don't ask me how it works because I had no idea, but that is absolutely incredible. So in every archway there's a piece of art with this or more detail in it. This is also the longest art gallery in the world. TIANANMEN Square, and this is where one of my favourite ever photos was taken, and it's the one of the man standing in front of the tank. So this is, from what I believe, this is the main political centre of China. Because Beijing is the capital of China, this is where every political decision gets made. So there's lots of very interesting buildings around here. So yeah, this is TIANANMEN Square. Had lunch and had some really productive shopping, and now we're heading to a tea ceremony, and then we're going to a light show and then the markets, and yeah, should be good. Last day here in Beijing before heading off to Hong Kong for a couple of days to spend some time as a family there. Where are we, Dad?
In the airport terminal, and we have to run.
Yeah, we just got off the train in the airport in Beijing. I made it to the departure gate with about 2 minutes to spare. I just sprinted to my gate. I literally had like 30 seconds before they closed the gate.